Hello friends, I present to your attention the soft pouches for tackle, accessories and equipment, which can be attached on the BORIKA FASTen accessories, with special paired oblong holes. The range includes pouches of different sizes. Each of pouch has been designed of 5-layer reinforced PVC fabric, as a one-piece pattern with slots provided for the assembly. The perforated design of the bag prevents water from collecting inside. The holes provided on the pouches make it possible to attach them to each other. We were inspired by the modular system of equipment mounting MOLLE. The straps of the pouch are threaded through 2 oblong holes of the accessory. By hanging the bag, you get an additional storage container, where you can put various little things, tackles, and tools needed always at hand. It helps to make the most of the space on the boat. Lightweight and durable pouches take up little space in a folded position. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products, because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.